It is we who the so-called intellectuals in the society, who are so-called opinion makers. What are we doing? We have a responsibility. So let us, that is why we can open another 100 universities. We have the resources. The country is embarking on having 1,500 universities in the next 10 years. Should we not take our share? Not from the government is not establishing 1,500 universities. The country, the government is facilitating to establish 1,000 without private-public partnership or various methods, 1,500 universities. Should we not take steps to establish at least 10% of the university, of 100 universities? This 200 million people of India can do that. So, friends, because there is a time constraint, I would like to once again congratulate and please take this positive aspect. There is more biharanjumans are necessary in this country and they will be able to take up this challenge. They have successfully, in fact, I have no time, I have gone through, before coming here, the entire Bihar Anjuman's website and what they are doing it. What astonished, I can use only this word, I am astonished that within short time you have done excellent work. Thank you. Thank you from the community and carry on, and we are all with you. We are behind you, we will not go in front of you, but we are behind you. Carry on and thank you very much.